Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unmatch someone on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Chat to access your conversations. This will bring up a list of all the people you've matched with and have been messaging on the platform. Now take a moment to scroll through your chat list and find the person you want to unmatch with. This could be someone you're no longer interested in connecting with, or perhaps a conversation that's just not going anywhere. Once you've located their profile in your chat list, tap on their conversation to open it up. With the chat now open, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots arranged vertically, which is the menu icon for additional options. Tap on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can take regarding this conversation. From the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Look for and tap on Unmatch. This is the option that will remove this person from your matches and delete your entire conversation history with them. It's an important step if you want to clean up your match list or simply move on from a particular connection. After tapping Unmatch, Tinder will display a confirmation message on your screen. This is a safety feature to make sure you don't accidentally unmatch someone, as this action cannot be undone. The message will ask if you're sure you want to proceed. Go ahead and tap Yes Unmatch to confirm your decision, and that's it. You've successfully unmatched with that person on Tinder. The conversation will now be permanently removed from your chat list, and that person will no longer appear in your matches. They won't be able to message you anymore, and you won't be able to see their profile in your match queue. This gives you a fresh start to focus on connections that matter more to you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.